pizza? ATM?
We're going on this morning.
Child?
We're going on this.
Move out of the way. How's your coffee?
Nice.
Lots of coffee choice. Breakfast. Apple or orange juice. Oh, they got. And what's that one? Is that milk? No. Cereal. Can't let us get some cereal. So we get a bowl.
I want to get all of them.
What? You won't like that one, but do you want Cheerios? Got Raisin Bran.
I don't want them.
Cheerios, Frosted Flakes or Fruit Loops? Ooh, some Frosted Flakes. Ooh. Oh, little. Are they heart shapes? Oh look, they're in the shape of a heart. That's so cute. Want some milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah? Oh, how do you work it? Hold on. Pour it now?
The wheels fall out.
Good idea. Say when you've had enough milk.
Say.
Say. And we lock it. And we put it back. And you want a spoon? Woo! Nice one. Do you want me to carry it or are you okay?
Well, when I have no spoons, I'll just...
What cereal are you going to have? The bowls are there and the milk's there. And you get Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes or Cheerios. The frosting.
I think I can get a little bit.
Apple juice. How's your cereal? You good? And there's your breakfast menu.
Not like anything too. Yeah.
A lot of options. How's your cereal?
Like 2 minutes.
Yeah. And not with 2 spoons. Well, you got 2 spoons. One's catching.
The big one be catching.
English tea. So I went with 2 eggs with sausages. How do you have your eggs or whatever it was called? What was it called? Yeah, what was it called? How do you have your eggs? No.
2 eggs your way.
2 eggs your way. With sausages and little potatoes with some white toast. Cup of tea and orange juice. Kids pancake with sausage. Kids pancake with bacon. And man had poached eggs with bacon and tea. Woo, let's have some breakfast. That's what it should cost, but we had it complimentary with the room. How'd you find breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah, it was real good, wasn't it? It was a very delicious breakfast. Woo! Seaworld, we're coming for you.
Just let me know, it's everything for free.
Okay.
Thank you. I see Dory.
I know, but there's no Nemo.
No Nemo. Okay, should we go to SeaWorld? And that was our lovely stay at Hilton Garden Inn. Woo! We're off to SeaWorld for day 2. There we go, so the hotel entrance. Walk through the exit, take a right, and there's SeaWorld straight down there. And we're not going to go right at the bottom, we're going to go left. And we lace.
There's a red lizard.
Where?
Right there. He ran in the bush.
Oh. You scared the crap out of me. What you got, bro?
Acorn?
Don't drop it. Okay, so I'm back at the hotel. Number 1 rule. Don't forget your passes, your tickets for SeaWorld. Need them. We're back outside the Renaissance. And you can push this button and it hits the warning lights above to let people know we're crossing on the zebra crossing. Cheers, car. And then we're at SeaWorld. We went in this way yesterday but someone just shouted to us to use the next entrance, which is further on down. So there's still no footpath, it's the same kind of entrance onto a car park, one way. But for some reason we couldn't use the other one, but we're here now. Attraction tickets.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.